So the most basic things with coordinate geometry is how to plot the points and how to read the points. So let's see, A, B, C, and D are 4 points in the coordinate plane. The points A and B are shown on the coordinate diagram below. And we can see that here we have point A and point B. Plot and label points C and D. So how do we plot them? Now, the first value in our bracket is always x, and the second one is y. The same here, x and y. That's where we read the x coordinates. That's where we read the y coordinates. If you are in the exam and you forgot, do I put x first or y first? You go to your table and open the formulas for coordinate geometry. And here you can see at the very beginning you have point P, point Q, and coordinate X and Y, and coordinate X and Y. So that's how you can always remember how it is done. So 8 is the X coordinate, so that's 8. And then Y is 4, so that's 4. So where those two lines meet, that's where we are having our point C. And then D, the x is 3, so that's my 3, and the y is 6, so that's 6 and 3, that's where they meet. If it is a little bit difficult, we can draw the lines like that, and we can see that that's where those lines meet, that's where they are our point. Now, in the second part here, we have to write the coordinates of the point A and B in space below. The coordinate of C and D are already given. So now, one side was to plot, now we read. So again, x and y, x and y. So x coordinate is 1, and then y coordinate, we go to y, and that is 1 as well. Then for b, the b coordinate, x is 6, and then the y coordinate, we go across to y, and that's -1. And that's what I'm saying. That is actually every time in your exam, you're going to have to plot and label points.